kembe mek sirkal muuso gi bebe ng'enyne ji wacho ni jotelo ka un utimo uso gini e yo mokoriere ok uyie
koro for example man midwa chiwo maybe inyalo wacho parasasol moro inyalo iparo ni idwa us to jo sirkal dwa nyiewo
josewuoye mang'eny KPC josewuoye
KPC Kenya Pipeline idhi time Nairobi Stock Exchange idhi time is an open IPO ma is going to be ok dhi time kaka watimo Safaricom major shareholder ma en Vodacom emwa offer mondo nyiew our shareholding 15%. So that's different because the amount of money we do raise and the time is going that method has been approved, and even the stockbrokers themselves are in agreement. That is one of the best ways more approachable that sale. To Kenya Pipeline the team in the public. Na mangi pesa kata kengi pesa idi nyeo. So if they will be under deals upon the Kenyans are able to see kanti ngama ja serikal madwa ngadoria koma nyeo go that company behind everybody else. I think that is something that can be seen.
Okay.
Yeah. So achiel kum yore mwadhiries go pesa en mano en uso shares mag serikal in many organizations. To gino is good. In Safaricom, for example, ochopo kumochopo nikech serikal no uso shares mag Telcom to Vodacom, and it has worked in many other institutions. Places like Kengen, shareholding mas serikal team, Kengen is working, KPLC and all these things. So I think bureaucracy mas serikal is one of the ways one of the things I feel in serikal onego kick on enterprises. Kata airports, ngisa city kisa piny ma own airport, maran airport. Dubai airport, bedo run gi private people. All these airports, so serikal ok nyal run airport. Because bureaucracy ma serikal. Again, serikal nigi procedures mag even kelo changes in the company. It's a long process. Okinya compete with private sector people. Yeah? Private sector people, gin kage dwa timo gimoto, board members meet quickly, get decide, get more research, everything is done within a short time. One timelines book it because of bureaucracy of government. So government will offload their interest in some strategic organizations, companies, so that they can make more sense to the people.
Okay. To counties buro negi pesa.